Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I am a banking and a payment consultant. A question I got is, what are official and unofficial remittances? Well, remittances occur when, foreign exchange comes in through licensed money transfer operators or banks and, is delivered to some beneficiary in the country. And they come so using the official channels, which basically, the central banks and the commercial banks are recording that transaction. Typically, when a remittance originates, it's a person that's working abroad sending money back home. And they walk into a money transfer or a money exchange company and they say, hey, I want to send some money back home. And they'll take the details, they'll pay up, and that money is moved back home. If there isn't a money transfer operator, then there might be a bank that is involved over there in the originating country, and that money comes into the beneficiary countries. Because the money came in through licensed operators, banks, or money transfer operators, it is recorded. When it is recorded, that means the country's overall financial reserves, foreign exchange reserves have improved. And because something has improved, the financial health improved, this is good for the economy, especially for countries that have a current account deficit, meaning they import more than they export. So they need all the foreign exchange they can get. So if, let's say, $10,000 has to come in from, let's say, the United States into the Philippines, and if it comes in through the official channel, at the end of the day, the Philippines is $10,000 more richer, which is good. Well, on a minute scale, but good nonetheless. And that would be an official transfer. If the very same person would be, go to their friend and saying, hey, you're flying back to Manila, why don't you carry my $10,000 for me and please give it to my mom? And they do that, now that would be an unofficial transfer. It will also be a Hawala or a Hundi transactions. I've done 2 videos on it. I'll put the link below so you can look at it. So when you send money through a friend or family or are netting it off, someone needs money in the US and so you need to send money to Philippines. So you're taking money in the Philippines locally and say, hey, pay to my mother and I'll pay in the US on your behalf and so forth. These are unofficial remittances. They are not recorded by money transfer operators. They are not recorded by banks, and they don't basically improve the financial health of the country. The money may have physically come in or otherwise have been settled. Remittances may have come in, but they are not recorded on the official ledger. And because they are not, the financial reserves or the foreign exchange reserves of the country do not improve. This would be an unofficial remittance. Think of it like a family. So you have this family and you ask them what their wealth is. Well, they show you their bank statement, and that would be a very healthy representation of who they are. And if the bank statement says $10,000, that's hey, that's they're worth $10,000. But what about the piggy bank that they have that they very quietly keep and has another $2,000 in it? If that cannot be taken into account because it's not in a bank until they don't declare it, it is not included. Now, technically speaking, or I don't know how you want to put it, the family is worth $12,000 because they have 10,000 in the bank and 2,000 in the piggy bank. But officially, they're only worth 10,000. So it's the unofficial remittances plus the official remittances that really are the bulk of what the money comes into any country. And countries are trying to incentivize so that the unofficial remittances come through official channels. I hope I was able to explain the concept between what is unofficial and an official. If you have any questions or comments, there is a contact form in the link below. Sign up, fill it up, and it comes to me personally, and I'll look at it and I will be happy to reply. Till next time, have a good one.